Hello, my name is George Lanza. Today's a very, very special day for me. It's the day that we've been working for very heavily for the last 3 years, and it's the first day of Archangels of Health. It's your Archangel of Health organization through my company called Lanza Consulting Solutions. Uh, how did this come about and why are we here? This is an organization that was created by a promise. It was a dream that I've always had. Unfortunately, like to many of us, had a family member, in this case it was my father, who passed away with cancer. And at the time, even having all the resources available to us, we were not able to get him through that. There was a human factor that was missing. And I promised him that day that he passed away that I was gonna do anything in my possibility to create some kind of organization where I could help patients in general, patients with cancer, patients in need, patients that find themselves in a situation where they don't know where to go or who they can help or who can help them. I think this was the big difference. I think in my life, I've had an organization in Colombia for the last 21 years. I realized in the last 3 years since the inception of Lanza Consulting, by working as international ambassador for one of the largest cancer centers in the US and considered one of the best in the world, that there is a lot of need for cancer care, for improved cancer care. The connecting of the dots in helping people come to the United States or go to Latin America allowed me to realize the great need of optimal care, but in a logistical way, in a human way, in a way that we can, after the experience of meeting so many people and so many professionals and so many institutions, insurance companies, the best technologies, right there in Colombia, in the country that's capital of Latin America now, the best education levels, the best passionate care is right there, and it's more attainable. It's there to be taken advantage of, in the sense that my job and the job of Archangels of Health and the entire team is to actually provide that guidance and make sure that we can help you as our patient, because Archangels of Health was created for you. You are the patient, you are the person that we want to help, you're the one that needs our help. Patients' families are very important to us, caregivers, insurance companies, organizations, institutions, sharing best practices, trying to show best outcomes. It's not all about only cost effectiveness, which is something that's very important because we make something feasible. But most importantly, it's outcomes. It's the possibility of reaching the outcome that we're all searching for without wasting time, without wasting money, and being able to gain as much time possible, which was not given to my father in this case. And hopefully we can help you in anything that you might need for health concerns. Regarding our Archangel of Health and the Lanza Consulting website, you'll see it below. As you can see, we will be, our strategy or our desire is to create awareness, to create education, to make people aware of what is available, to make sure that the places that you do go in Colombia are the best places, the places that are the top of the top, the places that share best practices with the top institutions around the world, that you get the best care and the best speed possible, that you enjoy what Colombia has to offer, and that you be able to access at the touch of a button our website, which is Lanza Consulting, and follow our slogan, which, as said here, we're large enough to supply valuable solutions to your needs and small enough to care. That's who we are. We are people that care. We wanted to invite you there and thank you. God bless. Thank you very much for accompanying us.